So we're coming from Main Street and we're walking down Memorial Drive, and we're right next to the over in Memorial Hall. And we're headed down towards the waterfront.
Oh.
So walking down, we have the Sun Dynasty, and there's one park place across over here. This is on Memorial Drive, and we're walking down the street towards the waterfront. So we came across another seashell, and this is right next to the visitor center in here.
Would you like a map of where they're all located?
I'm sorry?
We have maps.
So we're about to do
Oh,
Water
map?
Street, and right at this point here, you can see is the visitor center. And at the visitor center, they gave us a nice picture of the Mayflower, and I'll put that up on here too as well. Okay, so it's a free picture. So we're about to walk, heading from Memorial Drive way down towards the Mayflower and Plymouth Rock. And Fernandez is up ahead of me, so I gotta catch up. So here we have a man walk here, and it's all different colors.
Very, very colorful.
Yeah. First time I've seen a crosswalk with all these different colors. Mamma Mia restaurant.
You know that's Italian.
Yeah. So we're walking on the walk. A lot of shops are open right now. You can see all the flags, open flags. So I guess you can pick it up at the window over here, and that's what people are waiting for. Sandwiches, Sunday milkshakes, hamburgers, fried dough.
You can have
That's pretty
fried
crazy.
Oreo sundaes. Fried
Okay.
ice cream. You can have fried ice cream.
Oh, yeah.
It's
A lot of
Ziggy's.
things on the wall. A lot of
Ziggy's ice
people
cream.
standing outside the store.
Disney.
There's a line over here with all social
Wow.
distancing.
You got all your.
So they have all, so there's a lot of shops around here. A lot of people are out on Wednesday. You think this is a busy weekend. So I might have to cut out and cut in. Definitely don't want the little ones in my film.
Over here is also parking. If you've taken out, it's all takeout parking.
It's kind of fun.
You know, and then
Yeah.
there's the bicycle area.
Yeah.
That's very, very busy. Look at all the things.
Yeah.
Parking if you
Look at
want.
the traffic.
The
Traffic is crazy
the traffic
around
is crazy
here.
over here. It's basically crazy.
This is October and Wednesday
Oh,
afternoon.
look at all the masks over here.
Yeah.
All the different masks.
Yeah, it's $6 or $7. Yeah, $6.99.
You see that? Oh. Okay, right. Oh, look at the Christmas ones. Huh? How do you like that? Look, James.
Mass save the humans. Across the street.
A what?
Another
Oh,
seashell.
okay.
There's somebody
let's
standing
go.
in front of it though.
Let's go in people, that's for sure. They're all, I have not been noticing who had made them, but now I am.
Yeah.
It's all different people.
This one's pretty neat.
It
like
is
that.
very neat.
Yeah, really colorful.
Yeah.
And it's right next to the water.
Ah, even Justin
And the
probably would
Mayflower
like this.
is right down over there. There's a Mayflower.
I think Justin would appreciate this one. Let's see what's in the back. Wow. This person did not miss any space at all. She used up all the space.
Yeah, so it is the back of it with a lighthouse.
That's pretty neat. It's a lighthouse.
Yeah, all kinds of light coming
She
over.
did a beautiful job.
You can see the Mayflower and the Best Ray right over here. There's the Mayflower
Yeah, the
ship.
Mayflower's over there. Big lighthouse. I think she did a gorgeous job.
This is really low tide over here. So there's a lot of boats out in the water.
Oh well. Now I'm getting a little glimpse of what they do in Israel with all the seats. We're finding seats
So right
out
over
here
there,
today.
we got the Plymouth Bay Winery. So
Oh. No, it's in that one
the
before.
Harbor Place parking.
What does
You
it
got
say?
like Harbor Place parking. So they got a few places. I got a police car coming.
Gee, that's noisy.
Yeah.
James, I don't even know the name of the place that we were talking about to begin with. You know, the place that you were talking about that we want to go buy there. I don't even know what the name of the place is. But it was an inn. It was an inn with a restaurant. What the heck was it?
Oh, it's so bouncy. I got a telephoto lens on
I
this
don't
thing.
even know. Are you listening to what I'm saying?
No, I'm trying to get things too. So we got the Maui Wow. That's right.
It's only half a week. Some of them are not even a half a week. 3 days, 4 days, I don't know. 2 days, I don't know.
Yeah, this is crazy with kids. By the sea. Bed and breakfast vacancy.
Yeah. Wonder what
a
it's
pretty
called
nice
to stay in
place.
a bed and breakfast over here.
Yeah, 2 seats out here too.
It's probably going to be a little pricey.
Yeah, I would imagine
A
so.
little pricey over here.
In the middle of Plymouth. Probably not. Probably after Thanksgiving it'll be cheaper, but right now,
All
so we're
right.
at the Pilgrim's Corner right now.
That's not a bad price.
Souvenirs, t-shirts, apparels, and gifts.
Look, jackets for $19.99.
Jacket there. We'll check out some of the shirts out here. We got hanging up. Oh, he's going to need a bigger boat.
Oh, the Jaws shirt. Ah.
Yeah.
All I care about is my coffee and like maybe 3 people. Ah. I am the man from Nantucket. Cheaper. Who cares? I put ketchup on my ketchup. Dumb. Exercise. I thought I said extra fries.
Yeah. Look at this one.
I don't give a rat's ass. She was short.
Here's another bed and breakfast along the harbor. Bed and breakfast. Yeah, picture of Marilyn Monroe on the door.
We have stayed in a bed and breakfast up in New Hampshire. Remember, James?
Women who behave really make history. That's what the sign says above Marilyn's head. There we go. Yeah, bed and bread. So this is the
This is the candy place.
Plymouth
Want to buy some candy?
Candy Company.
James.
See? Plymouth Candy Store.
Yeah, well, that's
No,
the
you.
olden way. That's how they spelled Plymouth in the olden days.
They couldn't spell.
They spelled it different, then they changed.
So it looks like they would sell ice cream here, slushy, burgers, hot dogs. Don't appear to be open though.
Wow, they're literally that's crazy. Where's the place you're going?
I'm only thinking about
Oh, look at all the mermaids.
It's pretty hard to see because of reflection. So there's Plymouth Rock in front of us, and we're going to go down towards the Mayflower and just take a look at it from the outside.
This way?
Yeah. So here's the Mayflower, and I'm just going to pan around to the water. So we're down on the pier where the Mayflower is. Right behind there, they got a lot of panels up. And they got harbor cruises. Don't seem to be running. It's Provincetown Express. So
Here.
yeah. They got all these panels up. I would say the reason the panels up so you can't see the ship by just walking down here. Because over towards the left is where the harbor cruise is.
Take a picture of that out there.
Yeah.
That overview over there, it's really neat. There's a big old view over here.
So the harbor cruise, it looks like it's closed. A big sign on the window over there. That's where you catch the harbor cruise. And see if they get a cost on there. Okay, the Mayflower is $15. You go on it. So we're gonna try and check this out. See if they get the prices up here.
I don't think so.
No.
Cash only.
Cash only on the boat. Yeah, so this is cash only. How much? I couldn't tell you. Nobody there, and there's no signs saying how much either. So probably closed for the season, I imagine. So we're out on the docks here.
I think you probably have the answers on these maps that the woman gave us. But then again, you know. Hey, just look at this expanse, so big. What a big area this is. Nice.
So there's the Mayflower. Can't really see it too good, but so we'll come on this boat. I guess less crowded here.
The biggest entertainment.
So it seems like in Massachusetts, there's a lot of kids are only going to school half the week. So there's a lot of kids out. So I'm trying not to film any of them. That's why I have to go on and off on this camera. Can't be a steady walk. And it's like a busy summer day out here. People and cars and everything. Which what you're seeing is areas where suddenly I'll turn the camera back on. Not a big crowd of people. So we got another seashell coming up.
That woman is doing some filming of some sort.
Yeah. So we got this one. Homemade fudge. Buy two, get one free. So that's what this building is over here.
Get your home fudge Your homemade fudge, you can get it here.
Yeah.
Buy 2, get 1 free. Huh. Oh boy.
That's what it says in the other one.
Fudge in there?
Yeah. It's like a
Want
gift.
some fudge?
It's like a gift store in there. Smaller one.
Fudgy. So
Fine.
we went up this way.
Yeah, we went up that way.
Oh.
So we're actually
Yeah, we did
walking
go
the
up
opposite
that
way. So up on the
Well,
top of the
let's
hill,
go- let's go this way because I like this way because we go through the gardens and all. Well, second time. I like it a lot.
so up on the hill is supposed to be a gift shop. So we'll
It's
find
a
out.
major beautiful place over there. It's beautiful inside there. Beautiful gifts.
So the politicians and people campaigning are not here today, so there's no loud music. So we'll get a better look at the Plymouth Rock.
It wasn't politicians that were here.
People campaigning.
People that were rooting for them. That's who was here.
Yeah. So I don't believe this is the actual rock, but it represents the rock. And you can see this 1620 carved into it.
Governor and historian.
At William Bradford. He's a governor and historian of the Plymouth colony. Born in Osterfield, England, 1590. Died in Plymouth, New England, 1657.
Oh. It's got all that there.
Let me get a closer look.
Hi, I'm Fernanda. If this is your first time here, James and I travel to different states to take you to the attractions, resorts, and restaurants. Subscribe if you'd like to see our next video, and leave a comment if you got value out on this video.